Hey, what's up, guys? New project. Let's check it out. So, weird. I just kind of noticed something right now. So, that brake pad doesn't look too bad. That still has a lot of life left. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see that. Rotor, definitely need a new rotor. That thing's pretty worn down. But notice this brake pad over here. Damn, that thing is down to the metal. Look at this, dude. Holy cow. That thing has hardly any meat left. So I'm not sure why that is. It could be that I don't know. I don't know if affecting harder certain turns, so I'm turning right or turning left more often, would wear out a pad. I haven't changed these pads since I owned the car. They were on it when I got it. Never had no issues. It's already going on 3 years, so I'm assuming it's just not really an issue. I got 3 years, and who knows how long they were on there before I got them. But yeah, this side's completely worn out on the front left. The right side looks like it has a pretty good amount of meat left on the pad, at least on the outer. I can't really tell on the inside till I take them off. But anyways, a little weird, but no biggie. 3 years out of them. So might as well upgrade, right? Upgraded to the PowerStop, the Z23s, which is kind of the premium. There's a Z26 is like the max, which is kind of overkill. This is even overkill, to be honest. But yeah, these are the Z23s are the ones that come drill and slotted. The next one below that is kind of the OE, the original kind of equipment style, coated, and then the original non-coated. So anyways, here are the rotors right here. So that's pretty nice. Drill and slotted. Nice. So yeah, that's what's gonna go on front passenger side. So I'll leave that right here. But it's like 1:30 a.m. Just got home from work. Just kind of wanted to get this prepped, and I'll finish it tomorrow because I'm a kind of a procrastinator. So if I wake up early, I'll still lag it. Get up, use the restroom. Take a while for me to get around, moving around. By the time I have my coffee, I don't want it to be an all-day thing, even though it won't be an all-day thing. But anyways, if I can get this is half the work already done. This is the wheels off, jacked up, stands, wheels off, about a third of the job done. Need to unmount the calipers, pull them out, grease them, put the new pads in, remount them on there with the new rotors. Yeah, no biggie. But anyways, so I got this far. We'll pick back up in the morning. Can't wait. Alright, before I actually went inside, I got the caliper off. It's right there hanging. See the part right there. Brake pads. Look at all that meat on there. That's a lot of meat on those calipers still. So anyways, but this rotor is just pretty stuck on there, and I don't want to be. I gave it a couple taps with the mallet, with the rubber mallet. Didn't want to budge. It's pretty rusted on there. So I just sprayed some penetrating oil. I just kind of blocked off this part with the paper towel, and I kind of just sprayed the top so it can run down around the edge right there, and just let it kind of just do its thing overnight. And then pretty sure one good whack or two with the little what is this, 4-pound? Oh yeah, that'd do it. 4-pound sledgehammer, that'd do it. Knock that thing off, and then I'll finish this side. So yeah, I'm definitely like a third of the way done. I'll pick up where I left off in the morning. See you. Alright guys, it's the next morning. Let's try to freaking whack that thing. See if I can get that off. Some gloves on. It's pretty chilly morning. It's like 55 degrees. Pretty chilly for Southern California right now. Starting to become winter. Pretty soon it's going to be in the 40s where I'm at. It's a little too cold for my taste. Let's see. Some rust came off. There we go. Hell yeah, that PB blaster did its thing. Nice. Yeah, let me close the garage. It's too windy. Some light up there. Oh yeah, that's way better. It's too windy. Get those Santa Ana winds. Alright, got the road right here. I'm gonna take out the bag. Just gonna throw it on the hub backwards. Take the sticker off. I guess it don't matter. I'm gonna throw this on there backwards. There's some brake cleaner and wipe that side off. Towels. Alright. Alright, so before I put this back on the correct way, I'm going to put a little bit of anti-seize. Alright, so that was using some Loctite copper anti-seize. Spray some brake cleaner. Alright, I took off the hardware off of the caliper. Goes right there into the little grooves. Alright, I'm already done putting the hardware, the new hardware clips in there, greased them. Take out the sliding pins and grease those ones up. Cleaned them and greased them. There we go. Back out. There we go. Oh yeah, making progress. Alright, pads are in place. Rotor's looking pretty good. Nice and meaty. Alright, so I just got the driver's side rotor off. Just kind of want to point out one thing. So this is the inside of the pad. You know, it's pretty done. You can see some cracking and stuff in there, but holy cow, check this one out. Dude, that was down to the metal pretty much. Holy cow. Like I said, I never changed the brakes on this car before. Had the car almost 3 years. A couple more months, it'll be 3 years. And I don't know how long, you know, before that the previous owner changed them, but I'd be more concerned if this was like within a year of me getting it, because then I don't know if he had changed them right before or whatever. But if this was that much uneven wear right after I got it, I'd probably be concerned and I'd be keeping an eye on it. But since I've been driving it like this almost 3 years, and this is the worst pad, the driver's side outer pad, I think it's nothing really to be concerned. I'll probably just keep an eye on it on time to time and kind of just make sure it's even wearing evenly. But yeah, I started getting noise from this the other day, and look at how bad that thing is. Sheesh. Comparison. Next, side by side. Dude. Wow. That's crazy. Never seen that. Alright, let's move on. Alright, just did the break-in test. I didn't show me mounting the tires or anything like that. I pretty much did everything. So I did the break-in procedure, which is 5 aggressive decelerations from 40 to 10. Then 5 moderate decelerations from 35 to 5. And then I just drove non-stop 5 minutes to let them cool down. So that's the break-in process for the PowerStops. So I just kind of followed it to the T. Pulled up at a park right now. Let's check it out and see how it looks. It's pretty good. They sound pretty quiet. They're I'd compare them to OEM. I can't hear anything from the brakes itself, albeit it's just been a couple miles that I drove. But finally got some meat all around. The other side was this side was not too bad, the passenger side, but driver's side was completely down to the almost to the shim, to the metal. Yeah.